Hoi, grüezi miteinander. A Swiss investor. This is a special mid-March 2021 update for our 100k portfolio. Let's see. This is because we decided to do a 10k pumping up of the portfolio. We got 10k from somewhere else and decided to take the opportunity that the stock market just went down during these last weeks, and we think that is a good opportunity. Mainly Nestle went down and went to 95 francs and was great, but then we had some problems by sending this money back and forth. So yeah, just went from the wrong bank account to the Giro, and then they couldn't process it. They sent it back, and then I sent it again, many telephone calls, and then we end up losing the whole week where Nestle was very low. Now it's a little bit of a mess, so you can see now from the overview there that Nestle is at 100, and we have a position of 140 stocks and 1408. And then you can also see that we have still 5,000 francs there pending, and that the orders were just executed for 99.80 and 100. That was not ideal. It was, like I said, the 95 something, and then I went back up. I still want to invest there. So the plan was to invest all the 10k in Nestle. They're going to pay 2.7% dividend. They are the base of our portfolio, like we mentioned before. And then the idea was 10k Nestle Swiss francs. Boom. No conversion to euros, no blah blah, no ETFs, and then we have the base. But then with this back and forth with the Giro, we end up losing the opportunity. Now Nestle is back to 100, so we did not want to buy all with this value. You can see we are by 102.80 now. It's our average purchase price. You have to know that we are still negative in Nestle, because when we transferred the stocks from the Swiss quota, they were at 107 something, and then now the Giro considers that as the purchase price. And it wasn't the purchase price initially. The initial price was 75 francs, but long ago in September 2019, or even before that when I bought it, so a long time ago. And then now with purchasing slowly, we went to this 102. To give you an idea of what the heck happened since the last video. So as you remember, I committed this very horrible mistake, or at least I didn't know at the time, of buying more and more hexagons, and the last one was like 6 pieces at 51 NOx. So you can see then the position went there, but the hexagon just tumbles and tumbles. It goes up, it goes down, it fluctuates. That was the last thing. And then now I'm giving you the overview from the conto and not the transaction, because then you can see all the orders back and forths and costs. And then you can see on the 5th of March, we transferred this 10k Swiss francs to pump it up. Idea all in Nestle. Well, Nestle wasn't where it was before, and then I was waiting. I put some 98 order, 98.50, and nothing happened. And in the end, I end up buying for 199.80. That was it, and the rest is still pending at 98 something. And I hope it will go down. Let's see. If it goes down, so we buy the rest 5k. But then also Hyatt, it gained a lot since we bought it. Like a lot of optimism in the market that the hotels are going to reopen soon, and Hyatt and LA start picking up steam a lot. So Hyatt went up, and then when it went a little bit down, I decided to just purchase a bit more. So you can see there some Hyatt transaction cost very low, as I said, 52 cents, and this is like just for 5 stocks of Hyatt, nothing much, just like building up the position. Then JP Morgan, it entered the position was something I was already looking, and it would just go up, 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 up. I was looking into it since December. It was $121, and then now just kept going up. The market was going into financials. They are going into the market cycles. After financial comes raw material producers, commodities, and all this stuff, and industries. But now they are in financial, so the things start going up, 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 and decide just to go in, like JP Morgan. That's it. So we are inside. Our transaction cost, you can see 54 cents. That's very low, so it's not a problem. Then we got some dividends from Johnson & Johnson, which is nice, small but fun. $10. Paid some taxes on it. Nothing absurd. About 15% it looks like. Then bought some more Daimler because it was already pending. Like I said, it went up, 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 and initially, if you remember, I bought for something like 55 or something like that, and then now it's at 70. So we bought for 70.14, 700 euros more, adding up to that position, and I think it is still worth adding more. Look into the split. The company looks great. They just launched some more small features with the panel, so it's going to be nice. I just hope they start paying dividends again. I think they are not paying dividends, but I think it will grow to be one of the big position. And then you see the Nestle transactions from 12 March onwards. Then you see 1,000 francs paid 5 francs 50, and then 4,000 francs, about 3,992, 7 francs transaction costs. This is the situation as it is. I'm showing you this view so that you have a better understanding of what is going on. Like I said, it went back and forth with this transaction. I hope now it is okay because we put the correct bank accounts on the Giro, and that should be fine for now. March was a big month, just building up this portfolio. It was a good opportunity. Vaccination is going well in US, and I believe, or we believe, that the market is going to pick up speed on the coming weeks, and let's hope for that. So now back to the portfolio. You can see now we have the 5,200 days to parked, waiting for Nestle to go down. We have some positions to be bought at Ellis. Ellis went also very good. Now we have it at 14.98. It's 20% up. If it goes down, I'll buy some more because it's great. They are thinking on the recovery. Let's see, maybe it will be good. The rest of the Nestle, the 5,000 we wanted to invest, it's also there, 98.20. Let's see, it may go up, may go down. I hope it goes down, and then we will buy it. And then Roche, because it is, like I said, the base of the portfolio. We said ETF, Nestle, Roche, Swiss francs. This would be great. If Roche goes a little bit down, then we add to that more Johnson & Johnson. Also, that's the situation at the moment. No extra position from the beginning of the month, just building up on what we had before and try to follow the strategy we had. So we still have the margin there, 549, but this is because the orders are pending, so it's consuming a bit of the margin. And the total portfolio now is 39,202 netto. Now you can see also that the orders are there executed today that I told you. Nestle and Daimler and Vanguard is there, 12,800, and we have this huge negative position, which is the leverage in Norwegian crowns, Swedish crowns, US dollars, and euros. For all the purchase we did in those currencies, it was only in adding up to the margin, and the amount I transferred was basically the 10,000 Swiss francs, as you see in the account. So we build up negative positions with the margin accounts on where the interest rates are better, like said before. So it's also good to have a bit of diversification on the currency side. And then once I get some dividends from the ETF, it will pay in US dollars, so it will reduce a little bit. That's more or less the idea. So some dividend comes in and then reduce a little bit those positions. And Swiss francs we can always send and then manage just like we did before. So that's the situation now by mid-March. Looking forward to see you soon. If you like the video, please give a like and subscribe to the channel if you like to follow the new updates. Thank you very much. See you next video.